it's really hard for us to like be our true selves and really express our true selves in our daily lives. And so sometimes you need a space where you have that permission, that freedom to really not judge yourself. It's a really big energetic shift when that happens.
So this was actually my very first festival ever. I kind of happened upon it on accident.
And everyone is just so comfortable in themselves and around each other, so I feel like making friends is going to be very easy. I just wanted to see something I haven't seen before and do it with strangers and hopefully find some tribe.
This is basically something that puts you on another path and helps you to kind of awaken something deep within you that might have been asleep.
I think that's something that not a lot of us get in everyday life, so to be able to come here and experience that.
This gives us a chance of getting to that stillness and that silent meditation through a moving meditation.
And just be in service to each other and be in service to ourselves has been, the most incredible thing to witness.
This is in the world of what we call transformational festivals, which are kind of born out of like the electronic music scene, but have like really evolved into this whole other level of like deeper meaning and just creating some sort of really impactful shift in your life.
What's bringing us all here is just the willingness to connect and like the willingness for something different. And I feel like all of us inherently, fundamentally are looking for that, no matter if they're in this community or not. And I think what can open people to coming to these kinds of things is just trusting that your people will find you. You just be you. And if you are not like loudly and fearlessly being you, like that, your tribe cannot find you, And so it's like this kind of space is like you just get regenerated and like re-energized into like right, I can be fully me, and people can hold that and they love it.
The energy that we put out is for people that are looking for that shift, that transformation in their life, people that are looking for something to be a spark.